So in Sam's Club, you will get 10 for $13.48 each. And today they have the protein pancakes, 15-gram protein per serving. You will get 24 for $9.98, so 10. And $11.88 for the keto waffle sandwich, and you will get 6 in here. Seasoned barbecue salmon. I haven't seen this one. Skin on, boneless. Gonna be $14.98. And down here, these are $15.98, and that is a 3-pound. And today they also have teriyaki, you guys. That is $20.98. Oh, like barbecue salmon and teriyaki. And $17.98 for the mahi and mahi. They also have pink salmon. This is going to be $13.98, and that is a 2-pound. A 2-pound bag. So they have snow crab clusters, a 2-pound for $24.98. 2-pound pie. For my daughter ate that whole thing by itself. Normally they have a box one. I don't see it anymore. Shrimp scampi. That is 2 pounds for $15.48. And Nashville hot. That is 2 pounds for $13.98. That is seasoned and coated in Nashville hot seasoning blend with panko. They also have Nashville hot tilapia, you guys, a 2-pound. I honestly just stay away from tilapia. Down here, a 5-pound box is going to be $98.48. Now here's a 5-pound one. Yes, I can make 2 meals out of this one. It's $84.48. Lunchables here are $8.48, and of course you will get 6. They do have the chocolate chip cookie dough. That is $10.20 each. And $26.18. We have sirloin beef patties. It's 85% lean. A 6-pound in here. You get 18. Okay, so they have the regular like boneless chicken bites. They're $15.98. So we do have the meat lovers for $14.88, and of course you get 8 in here. Fruit is here, $13.98, so 14. I want to say on their mozzarella sticks, maybe the same price in Sam's Costco, $14 here. Sometimes Costco has a sale on them for like 11. We have the beef meatball, that is 6 pound for $18.38. By Members Mark, we have the margaritas. Okay, just add ice. Oh, are these like the little pouches, or they're ready? $29.98 pound. Their liquor, you know, they were in Costco. $52.98. And the swimwear is $20, and they have some colorful ones on top. Minecraft, Spider-Man, Mickey Mouse. Okay, I know we've seen these before. Oh, it looks like a clearance on boots over here. They're $30.81. These are by Steve Madden. I also have a black one. I've never seen these. And $16.98. These are by The Gap. They're like a summer dress. I think that might be it, you guys. I came in here to grab some stuff, and I needed, which is like water, chicken, stuff for the dog. But I walked around the whole store. I didn't see anything too new that we haven't seen. Sam's Club is like that. They take a while. And I really hate the fact they took down their magazine department. There's like no magazines anymore. Come on, Sam's. I like the magazines.
Ooh, got Mexicans. Oh, Mexican dog. Okay. I'm so with that.
Love on the Brain, Potty Humor, and everything's like Tom Clancy. You see this one over here. And we have daddy girls over here. Let me get way in the back. In our Highlanders bed. All right.
In our Highlanders bed. Just don't chop off the swing.
Like Coco Melon, like family adventure. Read and play. You get a puzzle with it for $11.30 a 6. Hungry Hippo. You also have a piranha one. Okay, check this out. You get 540 pieces for $50. You also get 48 plastic eggs. So I feel like this is pretty good. Like, you're part of a church, you're doing like a big family event. I don't know. I mean, would it be cheaper just getting a whole bunch of eggs at the Dollar Tree? I don't know. 50 bucks, but you only get 48. Okay, and $12.98 here. You get 34 ounce of the bag popcorn bunny. They have the egg for $13.40 and that is a 50 count. My gosh, they're playing what is her name? Zendaya? Yeah, you know that Replay song? Okay, that song is really catchy. I don't care if you hate it. Okay, don't hate on Zendaya. My father-in-law loves her. He's all like, I wish she would come in concert. I'm like, I think she's just more of an actress now. $13.78. Oh gosh, mini eggs. And over here, these are $12.78. And of course, you get 12. Okay, these are new. We have lemon yogurt almonds for $9.98, you guys. A limited time. Okay, we have Twix here. Okay, these are fruit snacks for $12.48. Okay, there's these Twix. Well, so we're deciding to get Twix or something else to do a donation for a bunch of teens, and we always try to bring something. I'm not too sure if they would like this though. Okay, for $9.98 they have lemon blueberry clusters. This is like drizzled granola. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in Sam's Club. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.